Let we start our lecture of the general science lecture number 5. First of all, we do the exercise MCQs of the second chapter named cell division. Here is I have provided you the answer key and open your book at your home and also mark on the book. So cell division chapter 2, circle the correct option. Cell make copies of its chromosomes during which phase? Option A is interphase, B nuclear division of mitosis, C nuclear division of meiosis, and D cytokinesis. As you know that cell make copies of chromosomes during the interphase. Okay, and the next is the section of DNA. And second MCQs is the section of open your book at your home and follow these MCQs. The section of DNA which has information for a specific protein. That DNA section which provide a specific which has information for making a specific protein is called the gene. That section of DNA which has information for making a specific protein is called gene. A option is DNA strand, B nucleotide, C chromosome, and D gene. So our right answer is D. For making a section of protein or the section of DNA which is information for making a section of protein is called gene. Third MCQs is chromosomes are made of option A DNA only, B proteins only, C DNA protein and fats, D DNA and protein. So third correct answer is D DNA and protein. Okay ji. Fourth is now we move towards the fourth fourth MCQs, that the characters which are passed from parents to the offspring is the option A inheritable characters, option B non-inheritable characters, C environmental characters, and D natural characters. As we know that the inheritable characters are that characters which are passed from parent to the offspring, and non-inheritable characters are that characters which are not passed from parents to the offspring. These are the non-inheritable characters. So MCQ number 4, option A is the right answer, inheritable characters. MCQs number 5, an event that occur during interphase. Option A is division of nucleus, option B division of cytoplasm, option C duplication of chromosome, and option D formation of cell wall. As we know that in the interphase there is a duplication of chromosomes and or copies of chromosomes are formed in the interphase. Okay, so MCQ number 5, C option is the right answer. Now move towards the next slide. 6. Reduction of chromosomes takes place during the option A mitosis, B meiotic 1, C meiotic 2, and D both mitosis and meiotic 2. So as you know that the chromosomes reduction place in the meiotic 1. So MCQ number 6, option B is the right answer. Now we move towards the next MCQ is number 7. In human, a sperm has 23 chromosomes. As you know that the total number of chromosomes is 46. Sperm has 23 chromosomes, so XL has also XL total number of chromosomes which is equal to 46. Sperm has 23, so remaining egg has option A 23 chromosomes, B 46 chromosomes, C no chromosomes, and D 69 chromosomes. So option A is the right answer for the MCQ 7 because sperm has a 23 chromosome, XL has also a 23 chromosomes. Now move towards the next MCQ number 8. Zygote is formed by the fusion of option A 2 sperm cell, B 2 egg cell, C 2 somatic cell, and D sperm cell and egg cell. As you know that the zygote is formed by the fusion of sperm cell and the egg cell. 8 MCQs number 8, option number D is the right answer. In human, MCQs number 9. In human, the eye color is developed due to the effects of A. Diet, B. Environment, C. Genes, D option is both A and B. As you know that eye color is developed due to the effects of gene. So MCQs number 9, C option is the right option. So last MCQs, 10th MCQs is the last MCQs. Which statement is correct? Option A, DNA has instruction for making protein. B, protein has instruction for making DNA. C, both of these. And D, none of these. So DN MCQ number 10, option A is the right answer. DNA has an instruction for making the protein. So MCQ number 10, option A is the right answer. Now I will mark a answer in the form of key. I will write a page number and give a hand to you in the next lecture of chapter 2. Now move towards chapter 3. Chapter 3 name is biotechnology. First of all, we know about the what is technology. Any knowledge, any knowledge about the some areas like engineering, medicine. Let's suppose you have any knowledge about the engineering, medicine, computer, any knowledge. This is known as a technology. First of all, we discuss about the technology. Any knowledge about something is known as a technology. Knowledge in the engineering, medicine, as well as in computer, about some software. This is known as a technology. So you know about the technology application of knowledge in the areas like engineering, medicine, and something else, computer, IT, software, hardware. This is known as a technology. We will discuss in this chapter about the biotechnology. As bio indicate the living things. So the technology in which the living things are used in different ways to help and benefit. That technology will help human and give a benefit in different ways. This is known as the biotechnology. Let's suppose microorganisms are used in making a yogurt, cheese, or several medicines. These are basically for the benefits of the human beings. This is known as the biotechnology. Tissue and genetic engineering are also the process and techniques in which the organisms are used for making many industrial products and also the research work. This is also included in the biotechnology. In this chapter, we will discuss the principles and also the some techniques about the biotechnology. So general applications of the biotechnology are in the field of environment, agriculture, health, food. These are the general information of biotechnology, application of biotechnology are in the field of agriculture, environment, health, food, production and preservation. These are the general application of the biotechnology. So next topic is about the DNA. I will repeat the about the technology and biotechnology. You have any knowledge in any field, either it is in first of all we discuss about the technology. You have any knowledge either in the field of technology, in the field of engineering, the field of medicine, in the field of computer, in the field of any software, in the field of something any else. Okay? This is known as technology. So we will discuss in this chapter about the biotechnology. The technology in which living things are used in different ways to help and benefit human beings. This is called the biotechnology. Let's suppose microorganisms are used in making yogurt and cheese. This is known as the biotechnology. Yogurt, cheese, several medicine. This includes mm, microorganisms are used in making bread, yogurt, cheese. These includes biotechnology. For example, tissue culture and genetic engineering are also the process and technique in which the microorganisms are used for making industrial product and in the research work. These also includes the biotechnology. Some techniques or principles are used in the biotechnology, which general application of the biotechnology in the field of agriculture, environment, health, food, production and preservation will also be discussed. Now we move towards the DNA replication. DNA has the property to replicate itself to make exact copy of itself. It is actually the process in which the DNA making the accurate copy of itself, means DNA make its own copies. It is clear that the process of DNA that takes place in the nucleus of cell during interphase. As you know about the interphase, what is interphase? It is before the start of the cell division, the parent cell passes through a phase known as interphase. As you know about the interphase, during interphase, chromosomes in the nucleus are duplicated, means the copies of chromosomes are developed. This is known as the interphase. The process of means DNA copy take place in the nucleus of a cell, and this process is known during the interphase. As you know about the interphase in which the copies of all the chromosomes are developed. There are two process in which the DNA replicates. How DNA replicates? The first step is the first step DNA replication is unwinding of. As you know about the DNA, there is two strands which are linked with each other like a ladder. So DNA replication is the unwinding of its. First of all, we do unwinding of its double helix structure. Why we call the double helix structure? Because it includes the two strands. So we separate the two strands, and separation of two strands like a zip in which the two strands open each other from each other. Like as you shown, this is the DNA, and this is the process in which the DNA two strands are like a ladder. And when we open the two strands, when we separate the two strands, as this is clearly shown in the figure, the first step is the unwinding of its. This is a double helix structure. Its structure is like a ladder in which the two strands mm, combine with each other. Now we open the two strands like a zip. Separate the two strands of an open zipper. This is clearly shown in the figure. Now the second step is, in the second step, as you know that these two strands are detached from each other or separate from each other. These strands produce a new strand using a nucleotide. In this way, let's suppose these two strands are detached from each other, and one डबल स्ट्रैंड, हर एक स्ट्रैंड क्या करेगा, अपनी अपनी आइडेंटिकल कॉपी क्या करेगा, क्रिएट करेगा. दिस स्ट्रैंड मेक एन कॉपी ऑफ दिस. इस स्ट्रैंड ने अपनी एक ये कॉपी क्रिएट की और एक लेट्स सपोज ये कॉपी क्रिएट की. एक ओल्ड कॉपी और पहले ही प्रेजेंट होगी और एक वो क्या करेंगे, न्यू कॉपी क्रिएट करेंगे. जिससे क्या होता है कि हर एक जो डीएनए, when we separate these two DNA strands, first step में क्या, in first step we do the separation of DNA, and in the second step when we open these two strands, each strand make its identical copies. हर एक स्ट्रैंड क्या करेगा, अपनी क्या एक कॉपी क्रिएट करेगा. When these two separate strands make its own identical copies, then these copies combine with each other, they make a new DNA. So that's why we asked that this is the process in which there is a replication of the DNA. Okay, I will repeat this lecture again. First of all, chapter 2, open the chapter 2, and again mark the MCQs. Chapter 2, cell division, and circle the correct option. MCQs number 1. Cell makes copies of its chromosomes during the option A, interphase, B, nuclear division of mitosis, C, nuclear division of meiosis, and the D option is cytokinesis. As we know that in interphase, there is a copies of the chromosomes are developed. So, MCQ number 1, option A is the right answer. Now, in the MCQ number 2, the section of DNA which has the information for making a specific protein. The section of DNA which is the information for making a specific protein, that section is called option A, DNA strands, B, nucleotide, C, chromosomes, and D, gene. So option D is the right answer, gene. Third is chromosomes are made of option A, DNA only, B, proteins only, C, DNA, protein and fats, D, DNA and protein. So MCQ number 3, D option is the right answer, DNA and protein. And MCQ number 5, an event that occurred during interphase. Option A is known as division of nucleus, B, division of cytoplasm, C, duplication of chromosomes, and D, formation of cell wall. So MCQ number 5, as you know that in interphase we know that the duplication of chromosomes are developed. So MCQ 5, C option is the right answer. Similarly, MCQ number 6, reduction of chromosomes takes place during 6. Option A is mitosis, B meiotic 1, C meiotic 2, D both mitosis and meiotic 2. 6 B is the right option, meiotic 1. MCQ number 7, in humans, a sperm has 23 chromosomes. As you know that there are total number of chromosomes is 46. Sperm has 23 chromosome. Egg cells are option A 23 chromosome, B 46, C no chromosomes, and D 69 chromosome. So as we know that in human there are 46 chromosomes. Sperm has 23 chromosomes. So egg cell has also 23 chromosomes. Next is 8. MCQ. Zygote is formed by the fusion of option A 2 sperm cell, B 2 egg cell, C 2 somatic cell, and D sperm cell and the egg cell. So option D is the right answer, sperm cell and the egg cell. So in MCQ 9, in humans, the eye color is developed due to the effects of option A diet, B environment, C gene, and D both A and B. C option is the right option, means gene. Now move towards MCQ number 10. Which statement is correct? Option A. D as in DNA has instruction for making protein. B. Protein has instruction for making DNA. C. Both of these. D. None of these. 10 MCQs. Option A is the right answer. DNA has instruction for making the protein. Now move towards next, biotechnology. What is biotechnology? We will discuss first of all about the technology. You have knowledge about something in the areas about engineering, medicines, computer, in any area. This is known as a technology. Now we discuss about the biotechnology. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology includes a technology in which living things are used in different ways to help the and benefit human beings. This is known as a biotechnology in which the living things are used in different ways to help human beings and benefit the human being. Let's suppose microorganisms are used in making the bread, yogurt, cheese, and different types of medicine. Similarly, fermentation, tissue culture, and genetic engineering uh, are the process and the techniques in which the microorganisms are also used in the making non-industrial products as well as in the research. So, general application of the biotechnology are in the field of agriculture, environment, health, food, production, preservation. These are the general application of the biotechnology. Now we discuss about the DNA replication. Replication means exact copies of on DNA formed. DNA has a unique property to replicate itself. Means that the copies of DNA is formed. Process of DNA replication takes place in the nucleus of cell during the interphase. There are two steps in which the DNA replicates in the two steps. First step is the replication in the unwinding of its means के DNA के दो strands हैं. These two strands separate from each other like an open zip. As you know, the DNA has two strands. There, as you show that this is a letter-like structure in which they separate from each other like an open zip. And in the second step, each of these strands produce a new strand by using a nucleotide. Means के हर एक strands के develop a copy of each other. Each strands develop a copy of each other, and each daughter DNA makes one new strand and one strand from the parent. So in this way, copies of DNA are formed. So this is the process how DNA makes copy of itself, means replicate itself. This is the process of DNA. Any question related to the topic? Discuss in the chat. Any question related to the topic? Discuss in the chat. Any question related to the topic? Discuss in the chat, please. Yes. If you have any question related to the topic, discuss in the chat. Chapter 2 exercise, I will mark you a page number. I will try in the next lecture. In chapter 3, you will read about the technology, biotechnology, and DNA replication. Basically, replication means first of all, replication means there are two steps. In replication means copies of the DNA developed in this. There are two steps in which the DNA replicates. First steps is the DNA basically has a unique property to replicate itself. DNA replicates itself in the two steps. First of all, as you know that DNA are made up of two strands like a ladder. When they separate from each other, they separate from each other like an open zip. DNA as a strand like an DNA is the combination of two strands. So this shows that the DNA strands. When we open these strands like an zip, DNA separates from separation of two strands of an open zip. In the second step, each of these strands produce a new strand. Each of these separate new strands make a copy of itself by using a nucleotide. Once strands, each daughter DNA contain one new strands and one strand from the parent cell. These two separate strands, one strand make the copy of the daughter cell, and the other strand, one strand from the parent cell. These strands, when combined together, they make a new strands of the DNA. This is basically the procedure of the how DNA replicates itself. MCQs number. Option for the MCQs number 2. Option for the MCQs number 2 is D option gene, and for the MCQs number 4, option A is the right answer, inheritable characters. And for the MCQs number 10, option A is the right answer, DNA as instruction for making protein. Yes, any question related to the topic, discuss in the chat, please. Any question related to the topic, discuss in the chat, please. Any question related to the topic, discuss in the chat. Okay, the class is over.